Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing your account and device. This avoids surprises. First, make sure Windows is updated and you've signed into the exact Microsoft account used for the store. Next, check subscriptions and payment methods because region changes affect billing, export any license keys or receipts. Once done, open Account, Microsoft.com in a browser and go to your info, and then to edit country/region. That's the first actionable step to actually change the region at the account level. Now continue with the store app and payment details so purchases work. After you change your country on the Microsoft account, open the Microsoft Store app and sign out. Signing back enforces the app to pull your updated region. Then go to Payment and Billing in your account to add a local card or payment method. This prevents checkout errors. Make sure Microsoft Store cache is cleared if the storefront still shows old content. It often updates after a sign out and reboot. Finish by verifying the store reflects the new region and reinstalling any apps that changed availability. If content still shows the prior country, run WS Reset to clear the Microsoft Store cache and restart Windows. This refreshes regional metadata. Make sure subscriptions and Xbox or Office ties aren't preventing a switch. They can lock region until canceled. If issues persist, contact Microsoft support and explain you changed account region. They can resolve account locks or billing conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.